Second sub, go do it yourself. Start sub again, bringing that purifier, overhauling it again, bringing it back. उससे पता ही नहीं है करना क्या है. वो ओरिंग चेंज करता है, जाता है, सेम चीज वापस जाके लगा लेता है. Hi everyone, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. Welcome to Mochane with Decoded and today there is a very important day. Thanks to सुनील सर जिन्होंने मेरी रिक्वेस्ट मानी और जहाज पे गए खूब सारे वीडियोस बनाए प्यूरीफायर के ऊपर. Why? Because now purifier package is coming up. बहुत सारे जूनियर इंजीनियर्स, फोर्थ इंजीनियर्स, थर्ड इंजीनियर्स थ्रू आउट ये मोचनी डिकोडेड से जुड़े उनके हमेशा प्रॉब्लम सब प्यूरीफायर में ये प्रॉब्लम होगी, प्यूरीफायर में ये प्रॉब्लम होगी. सो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है फर्स्ट थिंग इज थ्योरी एंड देन कम्स द प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स. तो थ्योरी मैंने थोड़ी सी अचीवर पैकेज में कवर करी थी और फिर सुनील सर मिले, मैंने बोला सर झाट पे जा रहे हो, प्लीज़ दबा के वीडियोज़ बनाइए एंड लेट अस लॉन्च दिस एक्सेप्शनल प्यूरीफायर पैकेज जहाँ पर सिर्फ प्यूरीफायर की बात होगी. तो सर हैविंग सेड दैट आपने क्या किया, व्हाट वाज योर थॉट प्रोसेस बिहाइंड मेकिंग दिस प्यूरीफायर पैकेज?
So when I actually got this idea of making the purifier, I used to receive a lot of queries from my juniors who had like sailed with me and all कि सर purifier में अभी desludge नहीं हो रहा है और overflow हो रहा है. And like even when I was a fourth engineer or even as a third engineer or second engineer, I had faced many problems. Like every time purifier is such a machinery जो इतना detail में रहता है and it's such a complicated machinery. Unless you know it in and out, it will be difficult to pinpoint the problem. Like अगर desludge नहीं हो रहा है, so what is the problem? अगर purifier overflow हो रहा है, तो what is the problem? So there were lot many questions and answers kind of thing जिसमें हम लोग delve करते थे and we used to try to find the answers. So that was the like driving force कि let's try to look into it from a perspective of an engineer कि कैसे इसको करना है, how is it operating, why this alarm is coming, what we can do. So that was basically the driving force कि we thought okay let's make this video.
Having said that guys, अगर मेरे से कोई पूछे कि मेरी इंजीनियरिंग की जर्नी में सबसे किस मशीनरी से डर लगता है, so that is purifier. Because even if one o-ring is damaged, sometimes you are not able to find out कि what is the reason, who is the culprit, because there are so many things working out there inside a purifier. It in itself is a complicated machinery. Having said that, इस पैकेज के अंदर थ्योरी पार्ट प्लस प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स बोथ थिंग्स आर कवर्ड, अच्छे से डिस्कस करी गई हैं. एंड आई फील सो कि जो लोग ये पैकेज लेंगे, स्पेसिफिकली जूनियर इंजीनियर्स, फर्स्ट टाइम गोइंग ऑन शिप, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जूनियर इंजीनियर्स, फोर्थ इंजीनियर्स, थर्ड इंजीनियर्स, so second engineers के लिए भी ऐसा?
I would say yes. When I was a second, I'll just tell you a story. I was third engineer that time. And in BP, there are either you have also said there. Either we have two third engineers, so one fourth engineer setup, or two fourth engineer, one third engineer setup kind of. So there we were doing generator decap that time as a third engineer. One of my friend was also third engineer, so we were two third engineer. We were doing generator decap, and there was one fourth engineer. Of course, we started the generator decap. And along with that, I mean, same time, the fourth engineer who was like keen to look into like the generator decap, so he was overhauling the purifier. So he thought that he will finish up this job in like one day. But as a matter of fact, we could finish our generator decap in 8 days. But this guy was still struggling with the purifier. Each day he's opening up, taking to the workshop. The whole we had this Westphalia purifier. He used to pick up all this big bowl, heavy bowl, take to the workshop, overhaul it, assemble it, come back, try out, and again it's not working. So after like 7 and 8 days, when we finally got the time, okay, let's forget about this generator now. Generator is finished, so let's help this poor chap. Then we found out. So he is initially we also were not able to pinpoint the problem actually, because we are not expert. We just know that okay, this o-ring. We were checking all those things. Finally, the problem we found was that the water which is entering into the bowl, there was one small rubber piece from the fix after the solenoid. There was one small rubber piece, and that rubber piece was melted from the inside. So that means the amount of the water
which was entering inside was more.
That was less actually. The flow was less. But when we were checking with the hose out and with the manual solenoid operation, we were getting enough water because now there was no restriction for it. So that was the problem which had kept this fourth engineer working on the purifier for almost 10 days. We had finished our generator decap, we could not see that even. So yeah, definitely even third engineer, even we struggled for another 2-3 days, and then third engineer, even second engineer was there. So what we can say is any machinery, it's not that because it is given to the fourth engineer, so it is of the fourth engineer rank. If fourth engineer is not able to do, then third engineer has to step in. If they also cannot do, even second engineer has to step in. And if nobody can do, then even chief engineer, me and you will have to step in and get this done.
But I will tell you one thing. Having said that, there is a challenge.
Yeah.
See, when you are working on generator, everybody is there. Why?
Right.
Because generator is very very crucial
Right.
machinery. But when it comes to purifier, what I have seen from my personal experience,
Yeah.
जल्दी से कोई आता नहीं है.
Right.
Second साहब, अरे चार साहब तुम्हारा, because they know that they've got a spare purifier working over there. So nobody is bothered much.
Right.
Second साहब, go do it yourself. चार साहब again, bringing that purifier, overhauling it again, bringing it back. उससे पता ही नहीं है करना क्या है. वो ओरिंग चेंज करता है, जाता है, सेम चीज वापस आके लगा देता है.
Exactly.
फिर सेम चीज करता है. एंड अगेन हैविंग सेड दैट, मैं चीफ ईयर नहीं हूँ, मैं फोर्थ ईयर की तरह बोल रहा हूँ. आई वाज वर्किंग विद बीपी एंड वहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा एक जगह पे क्या हुआ था कि मेन इंजन के अंदर, सम्प के अंदर वाटर हैड कम इन. व्हाई? बिकॉज मेन इंजन ल्यूबाइल प्यूरीफायर वाज नॉट डिस्लेजिंग एंड इट वाज माय मशीनरी. फाइनली व्हेन द प्रॉब्लम वाज सॉर्टेड एंड नाउ इट वाज डिसाइडेड कि जो ल्यूबाइल खराब हो गया है उसको प्यूरीफाई करके सही किया जाएगा. So sir, that was kachra lube oil, and now I was overhauling purifier every 6 hours. खोलो बॉक्स अप करो, खोलो बॉक्स अप करो. So माता रानी जानती है, this is one machinery that I'm afraid of. This is one machinery that everybody should be afraid of.
Yeah, exactly.
This is one machinery that you should be really thinking about, and I hope so कि the purpose of making this package, building this package is served. Even though I say कि every consolidated small problem will not be solved out here, but as a group, जैसे जैसे इस community में, when you buy the package, when you become a part, when you share your problems, we will be able to see कि what are the solutions for that, and then we'll be updating this package on regular basis.
Right.
So that when you are on ship, when you are on loan, when there is nobody to help you, Merchant Navy Decoded is there, Sunil sir is there. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.